Alright folks, V-Gates, it is Mike with Squatchy Reviews. This is an unboxing of the Vector 500 watt Power Inverter. I've already cut the tape on the box, but I did just get this a couple of days ago, and we're going to just open it up, take a look at it, and see what's inside. Alright. So what you use this for is portable power. You can plug it into your car cigarette lighter, or connect it to your battery, directly to your car battery, and power things that require 120 volts. I don't know, a laptop. You can also charge USB items that can be charged by USB, like your phone, whatever. Instructions packed in there tight. So it's nice that it comes with an adapter to plug into your cigarette lighter. That's going to go on to those posts, those terminals. Red goes to red, black goes to black. What else is in here? Car battery clips. I'll get the actual inverter out first, I think. Oh, it's gonna slide. Here we go. I don't want to drop it. Okay, hang on. All right, that's it. It's out of the box, and there's the battery clips for your car. You can run if you wanted to connect this permanently to your battery. I'm assuming that you could, if you wanted to run this like through the engine firewall, you could do that, or you could just have it in your vehicle and use the cigarette lighter. Like I said, these posts are going to go red to red, black to black on the back here, and those posts will go on there like that, and it gets the power with these clips. So let's take a quick look at the inverter itself. It's 3.1A USB power, both of them, pretty nice. 2 standard plug-ins, nice. I use a CPAP machine, so this will be great. I can take an extra car battery like I do for fishing, and plug it in and use it all night long. A fan so it doesn't get overheated, and that's pretty much it. 2 plug-ins. It's not like it's super heavy duty, but it does provide 500 watts. That's pretty good. And my dogs go crazy.